TomTom Rider 400. If you're not sure what model you have, just lift up this cover and you will write the Rider 400. Okay. If you want to replace the screen or if you want to change the battery, just follow these steps and you'll be able to do it. It's not that difficult. So first of all, remove these screws. To do that, you need a Torx T6 screwdriver. These sides, they will come off by sliding them, so you just need to slide them out. Push and slide them out, they will come out. Do the same on this side. Take them off. From the back, push to slide them out. Okay, now you have 4 more screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now from the power button, just open it like this. Okay. Now to release the LCD screen, you need to lift this clip that is over the, so you need to lift it. After you can slide the screen out, so slide out. Okay, now you can see what is inside. Just be careful with these little grommets because this is the water seal for the screws, so don't lose them. This is the battery. If you want to replace the battery, just pull the connector out by sliding it out. Don't lift, just slide out the connector. The battery is have some double-sided tape on the back, so just lift it up, it will come off very easily. If you just need to replace the screen, now you can install the new screen and you just connect it back, but don't forget always to put these little rubber grommets out because this is the water seal for the screws, so water will not go in. So always put this one back, don't forget about them, it's really important. And also this blue seal must sit properly around the frame. You can replace just the touchscreen, so if you find just the touchscreen, you can replace just the touchscreen. For that you need a Phillips screwdriver and just remove all these screws. 1, 2. And this is to see how you can separate the touchscreen from the LCD screen. Myself, I have a complete screen, so I don't need it. I just want to show you guys how you can separate it. So this, again, you have a new clip that holds the touchscreen, so you need to lift it up to open it. Just lift up and the touchscreen will slide out. But first of all, be careful because there is some double-sided tape on the back of the touchscreen. So after, just take it out. Now if you release the touchscreen, just lift up the screen, you will come off by lifting up, and this is how you separate them. Okay, now to complete, take the whole screen back, be sure that the LCD screen connector is open, slide the flex in till you see only one white line, only one white line must you must see on the back. Close it, and now you can put all the screws back. Starts from the back always, just to be sure that is okay. Put all the screws back. Okay. Now just slide this back on the sides and put the screws back. So it's not a difficult repair, even if you want to replace the battery or the screen, is not difficult. Don't forget to slide this one back. So slide. Oopsie. Okay. Okay. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for